Here we have a 2024 Chevy Trail Boss with the 5.3 in it. We're going to change up the exhaust a little bit. Customer's looking for a little more sound and a better look. We're going to take these chrome bezels off of it, give it a little more tone with a different muffler. It's all stock right now. We're going to put a single chamber V2 muffler on it. Take these little vents off the tailpipes here. That keeps some of the drone down, but also keeps some of the noise down. So hoping to liven it up. We'll get back to you here and we'll do a take two. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, we've installed the 4-inch tips on there. Really fills that space up there in the bumper. Got a nice clean look to it. Took the resonators off, or the little vent windows back there. Those are gone. Installed a single chamber V2 muffler on it. It's all stock up front. Should really give it some sound, give it some rumble. Let's see what it sounds like.